gone over the structure in our first unit, and now here we're beginning the second unit, and this one will deal essentially with the abstraction of the head, which is a rhythmical set of relationships that are built upon the anatomy and the planar structure of the head.
As the protege to the famous Fred Fixler, who worked directly under the legendary Frank Riley, Mark Westermo has unrivaled knowledge of the Riley method for drawing the head. His artistic prominence gave way to an illustrious career in Hollywood movie poster design. He later founded Associates in Art in Southern California, a top school for illustrators, from which many alumni became the who's who in the fields of figurative art.
I was schooled in this. It was my primary way of learning how to visualize and create rhythms. It's something that I still mentally project almost onto every subject or portrait that I draw. I consider it really, to me at least, essential for my own work. So I hope it will be very, very useful. I expect it will be for you.